Quantum reality, time, and aging. In many of our videos, we discussed how time doesn't exist. Rather, what's happening is you are quantum jumping from various reality to another. And we said time is merely an illusion that offers a sense of continuity as you're moving across various quantum realities or timelines to another. So, for example, let's say in this timeline, you're 5 years old. And in this timeline, let's say your current timeline as you're watching this video, you're 10 years old. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how this works and how do we quantify this? How many quantum jumps do we need to get from 5 years old to 10 years old? The simple answer is it is unquantifiable. Could be billions, trillions, who knows? We're not able to quantify this number. Let me explain. Okay, so let's say this is you at 5 years old, and this is you at 6 years old. So you're 5 years old. What you're doing is you are quantum jumping across billions, trillions, an infinite number of parallel realities, right? To get closer and closer to you at 6 years old. Okay, so the red denotes quantum realities that are the most similar. So the closest quantum jump reality is most similar to this. So each of these quantum realities are like parallel mirrors to one another with very little differences. So it looks something like this. This quantum reality is parallel to this quantum reality, but with small but significant differences. Okay, back to this example. So as you're drifting further away from this quantum reality, the difference becomes more significant as you hit age 6. But we must remember age is just a number or marker that we give ourselves as we change, as we notice a sort of evolution or change in our environment. So age exists because we are counting time. But we know time is an illusion, as we've talked about in multiple videos. Therefore, this age itself is also an illusion. So if age is an illusion, why does the body seem to respond to this illusion of time? In other words, why does your body change? Why can't your body just remain the same? And this is because your avatar ages, in other words, changes its energetic footprint or its frequency with each quantum jump. Basically, your body, matter, is responding to your energy and the frequency of the speed of light. So this is the Einstein equation, E equals to mc squared. Energy is mass times the speed of light squared. If you were to rearrange this, basically you are a ball of energy traveling at the frequency of light. So a mathematical way of viewing it looks like this, right? Mass is energy over, this is lambda times frequency, which is the formula for c, the speed of light. So what happens if frequency changes? The matter changes, right? And we talked about in the past that what is quantum jumping really? Quantum jumping is just you shifting your frequency. So as you get closer to a different quantum reality, your frequency is changing. If your frequency changes, what happened to matter? Matter changes. Therefore, you change. And that change is what we like to mark as an age.